Women, they are just amazing. They smile through so many changes that their body goes through during different phases of their life. One of them is sagging breast. It can be a natural part of aging or due to various other factors such as pregnancy, fluctuation in the weight, genetic, or poor posture. Today I am going to talk to you about some asanas and tips to reduce the sagging breast issues or minimize sagging breast. Welcome back to Yoga Abhyas Academy. Hari Om. Don't forget to see the whole video because in the end we are going to talk about some important tips which is very essential. Stand on the mat, feet together, stand straight, interlock your fingers and stretch your arms fully. Give a good stretch, lift up your whole body. Inhale and lift your heels up. Maintain the posture 30 seconds and after this, exhale, bring your hands down. This helps to improve your posture, which is very important part for this sagging breast. Repeat this 3 times or whenever you get time you can repeat this asana anytime, anywhere. Second, Hastuttanasana. Inhale, raise your both arms up, tuck your core muscles in and with exhalation arch back. Maintain this. Normal breath. Stay in the asana 30 seconds. Keep your breath normal. Slowly come out from the asana, lift the arms up and then exhale down. Repeat the same 3 times. Next, Garud Asana. Bend your knees, interlock your knees one above the another and lock your right foot behind the left calf muscle. Same way, interlock your arms. If not possible in the starting, just interlock the arms and let the leg rest. Repeat Garudasana with the left leg also. Stay in the asana 30 seconds. Make the balance. You can take wall support initially. Next is Veerbhadrasana variation 2. Open your legs, right leg forward, left leg back, right foot 90 degree and with exhalation bend your right knee 90 degree angle, push your pelvic down and both arms in line of the shoulder. Eyesight towards the right hand, maintain the asana 30 seconds and slowly change the leg and repeat with the left side. Don't forget, you should not push your body forward. Be in the center. Don't put the pressure on the knee. Be comfortable during the time of asana. Keep your back straight and chest lifted up. After repetition with the left leg, slowly come back and we do the Veerbhadrasana variation 1. Move your right foot forward and gently bend the right knee at the 90 degree angle, your trunk facing towards the right knee as well. Inhale, raise your hands up, look front. Slowly maintain 30 seconds with the normal breathing and gently repeat with the left side as well. During the time of Veerbhadrasana variation 1, keep your back straight, legs firm, feet firm. Next is Chaturanga. First come to the plank position. Maintain the weight on the hands and the toes. Inhale deeply, tuck your core muscles and with exhalation go down, but do not touch your chest, do not touch your knees with the mat. Hold your body in the air, little tough, but try to hold. Initially you can start with the 10 seconds, gradually your hand strength will increase so you will hold longer. Please do this every day, at least 5 rounds. It's very good for your chest. It increases the chest strength, the upper body strength, and same time it's helped to build up your core muscles, and definitely it helps to build your and tone up your breast muscles as well. Next we go for Gomukh Asana. In Gomukh Asana, sit on the mat and fold your right leg. Bring your right heel side of the left hip. Take your left leg over the right leg and touch your both the knees one above the another. Both the knees should come in one single line. Raise your right hand up and left hand from down. Interlock your both hands finger. Maintain it back straight, look front. Try to bring your hand behind the head. Stay in the asana 30 seconds and then interchange the leg. Repeat the same asana with the different leg. Make sure both the ankles should be relaxed, both knees should be in one single line, and the upper arm, which is behind your head, it should be behind the head, and you should not put any pressure over the neck. Keep your neck free from any weight. Maintain this asana 30 seconds, left side as well. Close your eyes, feel the stretch, and slowly relax. Stretch your both the legs forward. Inhale, raise your hands up. Lengthen your spine, and with exhalation, bend forward in Paschimottanasana. Catch your toes. Back straight, look front, maintain the asana. 30 seconds, do not lift the knee. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, hands down. Paschim Namaskar Asana. Sit in any cross-leg posture, or you can sit in Vajrasana as well. Take your hands one by one behind you. Try to bring your palm together between the shoulder blades and join the fingers together of both hands. Slowly lift the elbows little up and try to bring your wrists together. Maintain this. Look front, do not look down. You can maintain this more than a minute, and even this asana also you can do anywhere at any time. Slowly with exhalation relax. Lie down on your chest for Bhujanga Asana. Place your palms side of your breast. Inhale, slowly come up. Lift the chest, lift your navel off the mat. If possible, tuck your toes and push your navel forward. Push your lower body little forward for the extra stretch to your chest. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale deeply and with exhalation, slowly come up. Come out of the asana. Relax. Repeat this 3 rounds minimum. Lie down on your back. We do Urdhva Dhanurasana. Bend the knees. Place your palms side of your ears, fingers pointing towards the shoulder. Inhale, use your core muscles and lift your body up off the mat. Move your chest towards your hands, not away from your hands. Make sure your wrist and the shoulder should be in one line for the better posture. Stay in Urdhva Dhanurasana with the normal breath. Start with the 30 second, if not at least 10 second, and gradually with the balance, slowly touch the forehead down, then the back, and then the end. Relax your legs. Relax for a while and repeat 2 more rounds. After so much of practice, you need for your back some relaxation. Gently bend your knees, hug your knees in Pavan Muktasana, which release the tension from your back. Maintain a minute Pavan Muktasana. Feel the changes of the practice in your body. All these asanas are helps to strengthen your chest muscles, tone up your breast if you practice regularly. Along with it, massage is the best way to lift up your chest. Massage with olive oil in the circular motion and from down to up. Take few drops of oil in and do the massage in upward direction at least 15 minutes. Ice also works better. Take 2 cubes of ice and massage in circular motion for a minute and wipe up off with a clean towel. This helps to synchronize the muscles of your breast. Have balanced diet which is full of vitamins and minerals. Strengthen your mind. Everybody is beautiful. Uplift your mind and take care. Do try these things. Thank you. See you in the next video.